Okay, good morning. Today I will discuss the nuclear energy. What is nuclear energy and how the energy is to be obtained by the nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is a powerful source of energy that generates during a nuclear reaction. This energy that is obtained by the nuclear reactions by changing the nucleus of an atom. The source of nuclear energy is the mass of the nucleus, and energy generated during a nuclear reaction is due to the conversion of mass into energy. ये जो एनर्जी है दैट बेस फिजिक्स में भी हमने पढ़ा है कि जो मास को हम कैसे एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करते हैं। तो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ ऑब्टेन न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी। एक तो होता है न्यूक्लियर फिजन और दूसरा जो होता है वो होता है न्यूक्लियर फ्यूज़न। तो फिजन और फ्यूज़न में क्या डिफरेंस है ये आप देखेंगे कि एक न्यूट्रॉन है वो जब टारगेट न्यूक्लियस पे होता है तो एक न्यूट्रॉन प्लस फिजन प्रोडक्ट बनाता है, अगेन एक न्यूट्रॉन प्लस फिजन प्रोडक्ट बनाएगा। ऐसे ही अगर हम सेंटर की बात करें तो जो सन की एनर्जी है वो ड्यूटीरियम, हीलियम एंड ट्राइटीनियम जो आपकी सन एनर्जी है उस एनर्जी का हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे ड्यू टू जनरेशन ऑफ द न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी। The nuclear fission. The nuclear fission reaction, the nucleons of a heavy radioactive element, जो आपके न्यूक्लियस है वो हैवी रेडियोएक्टिव एलिमेंट्स होते हैं जैसे कि यूरेनियम हो गया, प्लूटोनियम हो गया और थोरियम हो गया, split up into smaller nuclei. When bombardment by low energy neutrons, a huge amount of heat is generated in the process, which is used in nuclear power plant to generate electricity. बेसिकली जो हमारा न्यूक्लियर फिजन की वर्किंग है, न्यूक्लियस में बहुत ज़्यादा रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट होते हैं। कौन कौन से वो एलिमेंट होते हैं? यूरेनियम है, प्लूटोनियम है, थोरियम है और उसके स्मॉलर न्यूक्लियाई है। व्हेन बम्बार्डमेंट, अब इन सारे के सारे जो न्यूक्लियस में रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट है, अगर जब हम बम्बार्डमेंट करेंगे लो एनर्जी के न्यूट्रॉन से तो ए ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज जनरेटेड इन दिस प्रोसेस which is used in nuclear power plants to generate the electricity. Now, what is nuclear fusion? Nuclear fusion reactions involve the combination of fusion of two light elements to form a heavier element. जैसे कि दो एलिमेंट हैं, उन दो स्मॉलर एलिमेंट पे अगर हम उसका कॉम्बिनेशन कर दें तो दो लाइट एलिमेंट को हेवियर एलिमेंट में चेंज किया जा सकता है एंड रिलीज अनकंट्रोल्ड एनर्जी। जैसे कि कहा जाता है कि जब फ्यूजन होता है तो द एनर्जी दैट इज ऑब्टेन्ड इज अनकंट्रोल्ड एनर्जी, thus it cannot be used to generate electricity unlike fission reaction. Do you know that the sun's energy is generated by nuclear fusion reaction? जो सन की एनर्जी हमें मिलती है that is caused by the nuclear fusion. The heat and light that we get from sun is all due to the continuous reactions going on inside it. We can now imagine how much energy would be released in the nuclear fusion reaction that is the source of sun energy. Now, the brief introduction of the nuclear power. Nuclear power is the use of sustained nuclear fission to generate heat and electricity. The nuclear power plants provide about 5.6% of the world's energy and 13% of the world electricity. The brief introduction of the nuclear power that sustained the nuclear fission to generate the heat and electricity. The nuclear power plants provides 5.7% of the world energy and 13% of the world electricity. वर्ल्ड की 13% इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो है वो हमको न्यूक्लियर पावर के थ्रू मिलती है। There were 439 nuclear power reactors in operation in the world, operating in 31 countries. 439 न्यूक्लियर पावर रिएक्टर हैं जो कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में ऑपरेशन हो रहे हैं एंड 31 कंट्रीज में। Environmentalists for nuclear energy contend that nuclear power is a sustainable energy that reduces carbon. It is a form of sustainable energy that reduces the carbon. Just as many conventional thermal power stations generate electricity by harnessing the thermal energy released from burning fossil fuels, nuclear power plants converts the energy released from the nucleus of an atom via nuclear fission that takes in a nuclear reactor. जो आपका न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट है जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हार्नेसिंग द थर्मल एनर्जी। थर्मल एनर्जी पावर प्लांट क्या करता है कि थर्मल एनर्जी रिलीज करता है बर्निंग ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल, और न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट जो है वो एनर्जी रिलीज करता है न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एन एटम वाया न्यूक्लियर फिजन। न्यूक्लियर फिजन से जो हमें एनर्जी मिलती है दैट टेक्स प्लेस in a nuclear reactor. The heat is removed from the reactor core by a cooling system that uses the heat to generate steam, which drives a steam turbine connected to generate producing electricity. Now, the life cycle. A nuclear reactor is only part of the life cycle for nuclear power. The process starts with mining. See uranium mining. Uranium mines are underground, open pit or in situ mines. The uranium ore is extracted, usually converted into a stable and compact from such a yellow cake, and then transported to a processing facility. The yellow cake is converted to uranium hexafluoride, which is then enriched using various techniques. The fuel rods will spend up to 3 operational. Then they will be moved to a spent fuel pool where the short-lived isotope generated by fission can decay away. So fueling the fire, how nuclear fuel, atom bombs are made, mining, milling, conversion, nuclear reactor and enrichment of the nuclear weapon. After about 5 years in spent fuel pool, the spent fuel is radioactively and thermal cool enough to handle, and it can be moved to dry storage kegs or reprocessed. Now, uranium is a fairly common element in the earth crust. जो यूरेनियम है वो सबसे ज़्यादा रेडियोएक्टिव एलिमेंट है। Uranium is approximately as common as tin or germanium in Earth crust and about 40 times more common than silver. Uranium is a constituent of most rocks, dirt, and of the ocean. The fact that uranium is so spread out is a problem because mining of uranium is only economically feasible where there is a large concentration. The cost of the nuclear power lies for the most part in the construction of the power station. Therefore, the fuel contribution to the overall cost of the electricity produced is relatively small, so even a large fuel price escalation will have relatively little effect on its final price. So this is the uranium. Now, schematic diagram of a nuclear reactor. How the working of the nuclear reactor takes place. A containment structure and a control rods, reactor vessel, the steam generator, pump, the steam lines, and the turbine or blades. Turbine is consists of generator and the condenser of cooling water. A cooling tower is to be attached. So this is the schematic diagram of a nuclear reactor. Now, its advantage. The almost zero emissions, very low greenhouse gas emission. इसके थ्रू जो हमारी ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज होती हैं वो वेरी लो है. They can be seated almost anywhere, unlike oil, which is most imported. ये जो है can be seated almost anywhere unlike all which is mostly imported. The plants almost never experience problem if not from human error, which almost never happens anyway because the plants only needs like 10 people to appropriate it. A small amount of matter creates a large amount of energy. A lot of energy is generated from a single. Now, modern reactors have 2 to 10 times more efficiency than the old generation. Reactors currently in use around the US, new reactor types have been designed to make it physically impossible to melt down. As the core gets hotter, the reaction gets slower. Hence, a runaway reaction leading to melt down is not possible. The disadvantage that the nuclear plants are more expensive to build and maintain. जो आपका न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट है उसका इंस्टॉलेशन कॉस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा है और उसका मेंटेनेंस बहुत expensive. The waste products are dangerous and need to be carefully stored for long periods of time. They spend fuel is highly radioactive and has to be carefully stored for many years or decades after use. This adds to the cost. There is presently no adequate safe long-term storage for radioactive and chemical waste. The nuclear power plants can be dangerous to its surrounding and employees. It would cost a lot to clean in case of spillages. बेसिकली जो न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी है या हमारे रेडियो एक्टिव मटीरियल्स हैं ये बहुत ज़्यादा ह्यूमन हेजॉर्डस है तो ये डेंजर है सराउंडिंग में जो भी इम्प्लाइज वर्क कर रहे हैं उसके और जहाँ पे भी हम इसका सेटअप ऑफ प्लेस बनाते हैं तो न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी से हमारा न्यूट्रॉन्स का जब बम्बार्डमेंट होता है तो फ्यूजन एंड फ्यूजन reactions होते हैं. There exist safety concerns if the plant is not operated correctly or conditions arise that were unforeseen when the plant was developed and happened at the Fukushima plant in Japan. अगर हम इसको प्लांट को सही तरीके से ऑपरेट नहीं करेंगे तो अक्सर हमें ये देखा गया है जैसे हिरोशिमा नागासाकी जापान में जो बम्बारमेंट हुआ था तो आज भी उसकी जो एनर्जी है जिसके वजह से ह्यूमन बीइंग के अंदर इफेक्ट जनरेट हुआ तो दीज आर द मेन अनकंट्रोल्ड ऑपरेटेड करेक्टली. Nuclear plants can render hundreds of square miles of land uninhabitable and unstable for any use of for years, decades or longer, and kills of entire river system. जहाँ पे भी हम न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट लगाते हैं वहाँ पे पहली चीज़ तो जो वहाँ की ज़मीनें हैं वहाँ के सराउंडिंग में जो रिवर्स हैं वो सिस्टम ना हो क्योंकि इंटायर रिवर सिस्टम को ये ख़त्म कर देता है. दूसरा जो है वो गैदरिंग ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग ना हो या वहाँ पे नो मैंस लैंड हो. A lot of waste from early reactors was stored in containers meant for only a few decades but is well past expiration and resulting India's nuclear energy. Nuclear power is the fourth largest source of electricity in India after thermal, hydroelectric and renewable source of electricity. जो न्यूक्लियर पावर है उससे सबसे ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिलती है इंडिया में थर्मल के, हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक के और रिन्यूएबल सोर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बाद. As of 2012, India has 20 nuclear reactors in operations in 6 nuclear power plants. जो 20 न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर है वो इंडिया में है और 6 जो न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट है वो एग्जिस्ट करता है. दैट जनरेट्स 4780 watt megawatt while 7 other reactors are under construction and are expected to generate an additional of 5300 megawatt. India has been making advances in the field of thorium based fuel working to design and the country has also recently reinitiated its involvement in the LENR research activities, in addition to supporting work done in the fusion power area through the ITER initiative, using thorium and low enriched uranium in key parts of India three-stage nuclear power program. Madras, Kaiga, Kakarpur, Rajasthan, Narora, Kanu, Chasanu, Tarapur, and Kandakulam. So these are the availability of the nuclear energy in India. Now, the history of nuclear energy in India. The India emerged as a free and democratic energy country in 1947 and entered into the nuclear age in 1948 by establishing the Atomic Energy Commission with Homi Bhabha as the chairman. Later on, the Department of Atomic Energy was created under the office of the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Initially, the AEC and DAE received international cooperation, and by 1963, India had two research reactors and four nuclear power reactors. In spite of the humiliating defeat in the on May 18, 1974, India performed a 15 peaceful nuclear explosions. The Western's power concentration with nuclear weapons proliferation and cut off a financial and technical help even for the producing of nuclear power. However, India used existing infrastructure to build nuclear power reactors and exploded both fission and fusion device on 11 May and 13 May 1998. The international community viewed the latter activity as a serious roadblock for the non-proliferation rate and the comprehensive test ban treaty, both deemed essential to stop the spread of the nuclear weapons. India considers these treaties favoring nuclear states and prepared to sign its genuine nuclear. Thank you.